Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio, and today I am participating in a hashtag event. It's hashtag LoveFallArt 2019, sponsored by the Facebook group Creative Arts Collaboration group, and we're all, well, a lot of us have decided to do a hashtag event where we're going to create some art for fall, or fall-inspired art. As you can see on my project, I was trying to get paint to run in that bottle and just kind of coat the inside of that, but that paint was just too thick. So I decided I would gesso over it and start with a different idea. Now this hashtag event is going on this weekend, and I think it runs through Sunday, possibly. But you can search the hashtag LoveFallArt 2019 to find more videos. I will also see if I can get the playlist and link it in the description box below, so you can go see what everybody else is creating. I hope you do check out the other videos, and if you like them, show them some love, share, comment, like, you know, the drill. All the things, right? So I had this brown packaging that I'd been saving since I got something in it. Don't even remember what. I think I've had it for like a year. And I decided it was time to use it, so I'm going to collage it onto my bottle so that I can get some brown, and we're going to go with some fall colors since this is fall. I don't usually create on bottles on film just because they're kind of awkward to do, and I'm sorry if I'm off the screen halfway, like most of the time. I apologize for that, but I hope you like what you see. This was a lot of fun to create this, and yeah, enjoy. Okay, so now that I've got it mostly covered, I'm going to take a couple of these longer strips and I'm soaking them in my dirty water. Doesn't matter, right? They're brown, it's all good. And I'm just trying to twist them up, and, you know, probably should have used something besides the craft paper, but I was just using what I had. And we're just going to kind of try and make these look like either branches or vines or something, and just glue them on to the surface and hope they stay there. So getting those on was a bit of a struggle, so I don't make you sit through the whole thing. They're on now. So I'm taking the rest of these scraps of paper and I'm going to use the autumn colors, and I'm just going to paint one side and just get it all kind of blotchy, like leaves changing color. And then we'll let those dry and cut them out and give ourselves some leaves. Look at that, they even curled up like dried leaves. They kind of sounded like dried leaves too. I know I don't have the sound on there, but they were kind of crunchy. Anyways, I'm just going to cut out a bunch of leaf shapes, just random single leaf shapes. And then we're going to go ahead and use I think I'm using Mod Podge at this point to attach those. Alright, so I've got those on and they're starting to dry, and I wanted just to fix up the bottom and the top of my bottle where I didn't quite get the brown paper around the edges. I just figured I would cover it with brown paint. And as I was doing this, I kind of rubbed around the edges with my fingers and decided I really liked the distressed look with the brown over the top. So I am going to go around and do that to the entire bottle. And now I've decided I want to emphasize the dark, so I've mixed a little Payne's Gray with the brown just to get some really dark shades in there, just to create some real shadow and some age to this bottle. And I'm so impatient, I'm not even waiting for that stuff to dry. Around those twisted pieces of craft paper, they were pretty wet and covered in I guess the decoupage I was using, covered in that, so they are still quite wet, but I don't want to stop working. You know, when you get on a roll, it's kind of fun, and you just can't wait to see how it ends up. So after I do the vine, I decide I'd like to give the leaves a little bit more definition. So I'm going to go around each of the leaves and give them some shading too. And I think it really helps the overall appearance. And then once I do that, I decide, well, might as well give them more depth, and I just do a little bit of a vein through each of the leaves. Look at that. And if it's a mess, just take the baby wipe and wipe it off. Though my baby wipe has gotten pretty brown. And we're going to go ahead and do the other side. I've just about made it to the end. Pictures are coming up here in a second. I hope you like that. Make sure you check out #LoveFallArt 2019. See what all the creators are making. If you did like my video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.